One thing I did forget to do was I did forget to draw the front view of the hook. So let me now just only make the hook only active, the advantages of layers. Let me just copy that entire hook across. So if this is the front view, I'm drawing a side view, or vice versa, whatever it is, it's at 90 degrees. And of course I had the copy turned on there. I'll turn it off. And we know the only difference is we've got a couple of pin diameters that are visible. So let's just find the middle of this. I'll draw a line in first, just to give me the absolute middle of this, make sure it's correct. Done. And let's just draw in our two circles. That one goes to there, that one goes to there. Done. So there's our first there's the top view. For the front view it's even easier. As you can see, it's just 38mm down. Or let's pick a centre line. We'll draw a line down and we'll just offset it to get our 38mm lines. So come out to 19 that way and 38mm backwards. Done. And in there I'll just remove. I do know that we have got a radius 6 on the bottom of the hook. So from here I've got a radius 6 circle. Let me draw a come up. Radius 6 is diameter 12 and drawing the circle there. And on the top I've got a radius 38mm circle. So I'll come here and I'll draw in a 38 and I'll copy it down and I'll paste that in there. Let me just remove my layout marks and remove all of that. Done. So that's the cross section of the hook. Let me just have a quick look. Then coming out here on the ends, I actually do need to put my hook back in again, or part thereof. There it is there. We've got coming out on the end an R6 fillet, and I'm assuming the end of it is also R6. Done. This is the cross section of the hook. Goes to there. Once again, we'll mirror that, put that to there. So there's the hook cross section. And then of course the hook does rise, like this part of it tends to hide it, and it starts from here. If needed, I'm going to put this in, but I don't know if I'll need it for later. It starts there and it finishes here. Now of course in here we're going to put in a radius 6 fillet. So radius is 6mm, let's fix that. That one goes to there, that one goes to there, that one goes to there, that one goes to there. That line's in the wrong spot. I'm just going to mirror this one across. Extend that one to next. Let's remove those two and just check in here and find out if I had anything going on which was causing me trouble. Nope. Yep. That's essentially what they've drawn here.